Do you need a bank account to set up Venmo? Intro. Hook, ever thought about sending money to a friend or family member super quickly and easily? Maybe you've heard of Venmo? But here's the burning question, do you actually need a bank account to get started? Let's dive in and find out. Building context. Venmo's popularity. Venmo has become a super popular app for peer-to-peer payments. It's like having a digital wallet right on your phone. You can send money to friends, split bills, and even pay for stuff at some stores. The bank account question. But before you can start using Venmo, you might be wondering if you need a bank account to link to it. It's a common question, and today, we're going to answer it once and for all. Answering the question. The short answer, yes and no. While you don't absolutely need a bank account to set up a Venmo account, you'll need one to fully utilize its features. Why a bank account helps. Funding your account. A bank account is the easiest way to add money to your Venmo balance. You can transfer funds directly from your bank to Venmo, making it super convenient. Cashing out. If you want to withdraw your Venmo balance to your bank account, you'll need a linked bank. This is especially useful if you've earned money through Venmo. Security. Having a bank account linked to Venmo can add an extra layer of security. If something goes wrong with your Venmo account, you can often recover your funds through your bank. Alternatives to a bank account. Debit cards. You can link a debit card to your Venmo account, but this is essentially the same as using a bank account. Prepaid cards. If you don't have a traditional bank account, you might consider using a prepaid debit card. These cards work similarly to regular debit cards and can be linked to Venmo. Venmo balance. While you can use your Venmo balance to send and receive payments, it's not always practical. For example, if you need to withdraw a large amount of money, having a linked bank account is much easier. Additional tips. Security best practices. When using Venmo, it's important to prioritize security. Here are a few tips. Strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for your Venmo account. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone or another device. Be cautious of strangers. Only send money to people you know and trust. Venmo fees. While Venmo is generally free to use, there are a few exceptions. For example, if you use a credit card to add funds to your Venmo balance, you might incur fees. Conclusion. Recap. So, to answer the question, do you need a bank account to set up Venmo? Technically, no. But to fully utilize its features and enjoy the benefits of convenience and security, having a linked bank account is highly recommended. Call to action. If you're ready to start using Venmo, go ahead and download the app. And don't forget to link your bank account or debit card for a seamless experience. Outro. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Venmo or peer-to-peer payments, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.